What's up, guys? Today is part 2 of the shooter game in Scratch. Today, we're gonna do, more enemies and get the life in, because, the player can kill the enemy, but the enemies can't. And that's just sad. And yeah, so let's get right into it. For first, I added 2 new costumes. After this, there's the fast guy, and there's gonna be the hard guy, which is a hexagon, which doesn't look like a hexagon. I mean, it does look like a hexagon, but it doesn't look like, I don't know, it just doesn't really look right. But I think this is good enough, and we're gonna come up here, and then we're gonna quickly make space. Control, get a if else statement. If else equals, pick a random 1 to 2, or let's do 1 to 3 equals 1. And else, in the else, we're going to put the normal one. You can adjust the thingies, but I'm going to do 1 out of 3. And then we're going to get another if else statement. And then this time we're going to do pick 1 to 2, put fast, and put hard, like that. And then we can create clone. Now, we can set size to the size you want, and then we can switch costume to our type right there. And then we can get another if else statement, put it right here. If else, get an equal sign, equals type. So type equals normal. Then we're going to do that, and we're going to set speed, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, we do have. But isn't that player speed? Yes, it is. We have to create a new variable, name it speed for this sprite only. So let's set speed to 1 for the normal, and definitely you can choose your own value. So if type equals fast, we're going to set the health to 4 and speed to 3. We're going to not duplicate that, actually. If you have more monsters, you can definitely duplicate it, but the one thing left is the hard guy, so I'm going to just, do this and stuff like that. Now, we have to fix that. It's only coming from the corners, and obviously if you want it to come from the corners, you can leave it be, but I'm going to make it so it can come from all the sides. Now first, that's a bit too long, so let's go to my block, make a block, name it set. Why not? We can run without screen refresh, and then we can drag those in there. Now what you can do is just quickly clean up. And yeah, let's go ahead and fix the positionings. So now for one, I'm going to just take the entire thing out and put the show right here. And then, so we're going to do the if else, pick a random 1 to 2, put this one right here, this one in here, and this one in here. Now, okay, we have to get the forever loop, put it here, and I'll put this here, and then put the speed variable right over there. We're going to change it from here, so change y by pick a random 180 to negative 180. You can duplicate that, put it here. We're going to put this here, and we can duplicate that, change this to change x by 240 and negative 240. Duplicate that, put it right here, and put one right there. There you go. And we're going to do the same as this set. We're going to go to my block, create a block, name it position, run without screen refresh. Now we can put that here, drag this, put it back here. Now put the position and the set in the code. And now we should get the new enemy spawning, and like that, we have that. But the hexagon looks a bit too tiny, so I'm going to size it up like that. And I don't like how it moves, so I'm going to rotate it like that. So that looks all nice. And then now if we go, we have the normal enemy, we have the hexagon enemies, and we have another normal, we have the fast guy, we have the hexagon. That's looking all good. Now, the player doesn't actually take damage yet, so we can go to the player and get when green flag is clicked, forever, create a block, let's name it touching, and then don't check around that screen refresh because that'll lag your game out seriously because we're going to put a wait block in this code. So get the touching in the forever loop, and then go to control, get an if statement, go to sensing, get a touching block, and then do touching enemy. Then we're going to change, create a new variable, name it life for all sprites. We can name it health, whatever. We can change life by -1. Go to control, get a wait until block, wait until not touching the enemy. Or you can use timer and stuff, but we already used timer. Ha! Anyways, we can create a new sprite, name it life, and get the costumes. Like 1, 2, 3, and then actually we need one more. We can name it 0. And then we can do when green flag is clicked, we can go to looks, get a show block, get the set size. I'm going to set it to 60%, I think. And then we can go to variables, get set life. We're going to set it to 3. And then we're going to go to the position you want. I want it to be at the bottom of the screen, so -150. Go to control, get a forever loop, go to looks, go to front layer, and then we can switch costume to life. Now the enemies will be able to, damage the player. So let's go ahead and boop, and then it damages the player. So that's nice. But it currently, when it does 0, the game doesn't end. So what we're gonna do is, when green flag is clicked, forever, and then if statement, if less than life is less than 1, then we're going to stop all. And then that is going to be it for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next episode. So peace.